Hey everyone, this is Diesel off of Saber Forum.
And this is Queen Unicorn off the Saber Forum. And we are doing our second review video. The Ultrasaber that I chose was the Dominix V4 LE with windows, and I upgraded it with the non-illuminated black AV switch. We chose to go with the Obsidian Premium Sound V4 in violet and with a silver flash on clash. I really like this one. Because it's much longer, lighter, and as a novice lightsaber twirler, it is just the right fit.
Okay. We also had a mystery box, which I received a Dark Sentinel with windows in white. Probably gonna do some modifications to this. And also received the Scorpion minus the claw with Obsidian V4 sound. We also got mid-grade blades. It's got the white flash on clash. It's much bigger than the standard ones, and everybody talks about how hefty it is, but to me it doesn't feel that hefty. It feels good in the hand. A little bit harder to twirl, but still not too bad. It's a very nice design. The blade lights up very nicely with these mid-grade standard blades. Much better than the heavy-duty ones. I am very happy with this order.